Hello everyone. In this video I will show you how to add a collaborator in Supabase. This is the same process we use to add members to our organization. First, go to the main dashboard of Supabase. If you are already inside a project, do not worry. Just look at the top left area of the screen. You will see the name of your organization. Click on the organization name. This will take you back to the organization homepage. Once you are on the organization page, look at the menu on the left side of the screen. In that menu, find and click on the option called Team. This section shows all the current members who have access to your organization. To add a new collaborator, click on the button that says Invite Member. After you click it, a pop-up window will appear. In this window, you need to enter two things. First, choose the role for the new member. Second, enter the email address of the person you want to invite. After entering the role and email, click on Send Invitation. Supabase will send an invitation email to that address. The person must open the email and accept the invitation. Once they accept, they will automatically be added to your organization and will have access according to the role you selected. Thanks for watching.